Welcome to the second video of first section, and we are learning ESP8266 as a hacker. So the first question that may arise in your mind is, what is IoT? The full form of IoT is Internet of Things. So you may ask, what is IoT or what is Internet of Things? The Internet of Things IoT is a complex system with several key components working together. Here are some few crucial ones. Sensors. These are foundation of IoT devices. So sensors actually gather data from the physical world such as temperature, humidity, light, motion and more. This raw data is the starting point of all IoT applications. The second is the software. IoT devices have software compatibility and thus these devices can be connected and controlled via a software. The third major thing of IoT device is connectivity. IoT devices need to be connected to the internet to transmit and receive data. This can be done through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or even cellular networks. The fourth and the major importance of IoT is communication. If we talk about communication in an IoT device, IoT devices have the inherent ability to connect to internet or other networks. This connectivity allows them to send and receive data, enabling remote control, data collection and communication with other devices. So communication is an important part of IoT. Now let's move to the uses of IoT. If we talk about some real-time uses, real-life examples and real-time uses of IoT. IoT devices are used in smart homes. Home automation devices like light control, thermostats, appliances and security systems also use IoT devices. Since IoT devices are energy efficient, monitoring energy consumption, identifying areas of improvement, optimizing area of energy is done with IoT devices. IoT devices play a major role in healthcare. Remote patient monitoring, that is vital signs and medication adherence and activity levels of patient can be monitored with IoT. Wearable technologies like fitness bands and monitoring fitness levels, sleep patterns also come in the healthcare section or healthcare sector of IoT devices. Smart cities use IoT devices and thus transportation and industrial settings can also be done with IoT devices. Traffic management like optimizing traffic flow, reducing congestion, all this is possible with IoT devices. If we talk about retail environments, IoT devices are widely used in shopping centers. IoT devices play a major role in agriculture as well. Monitoring soil moisture, weather control or weather conditions, crop growth and optimizing the fertilization and pest control can be done with IoT devices. Let's take some real life examples of IoT devices. If we talk about smart homes, if you are away from your home and realize that you left your iron on, you can actually use an IoT device and a smart plug can be created which can be turned off via your phone. Let's take an example of IoT device in healthcare. An elderly patient with heart problems lives alone. A wearable device continuously monitors their health rate and sends alerts to their doctor or family members if any irregularities are detected. So healthcare and IoT go hand in hand. If we talk about smart cities, Traffic congestion can be monitored from various cameras in the cities and thus signaling the operators. Smart traffic light utilize sensors to monitor real-time traffic flow and adjust the signal timings accordingly, optimizing the traffic flow and reducing congestion. So there are various importance of IoT. These were some real-time examples or real-life examples of IoT. If we talk about some key points to identify IoT, IoT devices have connectivity. IoT devices have the inherent ability to connect to a network. It can be a remote control network, data collection, a Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth, cellular, or other type of communication modules. IoT devices. The second key point of an IoT device is sensors or actuators. IoT devices often incorporate sensors to gather information. These sensors can measure traffic, temperature, humidity, light, motion, location, or other physical parameters. The third and the major key component of an IoT device is embedded computing. IoT devices typically have embedded computing capabilities, meaning they have a small processor and built-in memory. This allows them to process data locally, make decisions, and interact with other devices or systems without constant reliance on a central server. These were few key components of IoT, and in the next video we are going to take a look at all the components of IoT devices, what are the sensors of IoT devices. You are watching ESP8266 with hackers, and this is Priyank Gada. Shesha.